Hello, namaste, and welcome back. Today I'm going to make a one-pot breakfast recipe with eggs and spinach. This is going to be very nutritious, super tasty, and extremely delightful. Let's get started. So here is my hot pan. I'm going to add a cube of butter here. Today we will learn the ingredients on the go. So the first ingredients here is the chopped garlic. We will saute this in butter for a minute, and butter is very important for your breakfast. All right, now we will add some sliced onions. Here we go. Saute this gently. Slightly fried. I'm adding wheat flour here to make the sauce, the white sauce. Now I'll be adding some corn flour. These are 2 teaspoons each. Give a good mix. Little bit of water. And then we'll add some salt, some chili flakes, oregano, pepper. You can also add more vegetables like capsicum, tomato, green chilies. I'm not adding green chilies here because I have a toddler at home. Okay, just mix it well. And finally, we add the milk. You can also add some fresh cream with milk. All right, and just mix them well. It's giving a wonderful flavor of the garlic, butter. All right, there you go. Now I'm adding some cheese for that creamy texture and the cheesy flavor. I mix it well. The sauce is ready now. It's creamy, white. And now here we will add the blanched spinach. So I've already blanched it and chopped it. Give it a very good mix. It has to blend into your sauce. Okay. So the sauce looks creamy, flavory, and little flowy. So you can cook it for some more time to make it thick. I'm actually trying to make some space to crack in the eggs. And here goes the first one. All right. Yippee. This is the tricky part. You have to be carefully dropping in these eggs in the sauce. Okay, the second down. Now the third one. Oh, cool. And finally, the fourth egg. Ah, ta-da! I made it all. Doesn't it look so cool, beautiful with a white sauce and sun-side eggs? It's very appetizing. I just can't wait to have it. So let's go to the seasoning and garnishing of this breakfast. We will add some chili flakes, some more oregano, some herbs. You can add white pepper if you want, and just savor it the way you want it. This is very healthy, very rich in protein. It has the necessary fats you need, and it will keep you full. You can also have these with bread or the Indian breads like chapati, roti, or you can just have these eggs. This will be very filling. And finally, don't miss to add some more cheese to it. There you go. Now we'll cover it and cook it for some more time until this cheese melts. All right. So the eggs are done. Wow, it's looking so amazing. Finally, we will add some chopped fresh coriander leaves to garnish, and you can straight dive into this pan to have your breakfast. And our one pot breakfast recipe of spinach and eggs is ready. That's too much of talking, so let's have it. This is as delicious, as beautiful as it looks. So please try this recipe and do share your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you really like this video. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.